say posi for one saying nsuo wo mu na kyerɛ wɔn atuye na wɔn de kɔyɛ ɛna ayɛ the members of the NPP a wɔn nso so aba ha no ɛna ade a wɔn ani agye ho ɛno ɛna wɔhyɛ sɛ organizer wɔhyɛ sɛ deɛ ɔyɛ no ɛna kyerɛ sɛ ɔbuafu driver no a
The guy was driving straight and he said we should stand there, he will hit us, but he has the order. He said it. Meanwhile, there was no occasion here. The police rushed to go and arrest the person. And I'm now telling the boss that the same arrest was about doing. Why can't he arrest? Because that police officer is not above the law. Yeah, you can ask him. He's the one who...
You said they hit you in the car?
No, but I'm telling you, what has he done? He's behind the barricade. His safety is more important than me. So why is he here? While there is Boku, Boku is going on. We need men there. No, Ghana police is here to intimidate us. It's okay.